Say goodbye to flat batteries having you stuck in the bush.
Finally, somebody has come up with a jump starter big enough for these large four-wheel drives. This right here is the UPP1000 from Uniden. Believe it or not, it'll jumpstart my big GU several times before needing a recharge. Now, to demonstrate this, I've thrown an old battery that I had lying around in the shed into the truck. I've left my lights on and I've left the radio on overnight, and she is about as dead as a battery can get. Watch this. Okay.
On big diesel engines like this 4.2 or a V8 cruiser, many jumpstart kits won't cut it. If they don't have the amps to turn it over or are not fully charged, they often have no chance of working. The UPP1000 has a large 500 amp start current and a massive 1000 amp peak current. So it'll handle jump-starting petrol engines up to 7 litres and diesel engines up to 5 litres multiple times on one charge. Add in the fact that it's easily chargeable, plus it can be a power bank for your smartphone or other items. The Uniden UPP1000 is something any four-wheel driver should have stored under the seat.
Well, this is definitely staying in the big GU moving forward, because you just never know when this might save my bacon. To find out more about the UPP1000 from Uniden, head to uniden.com.au.